Hello. Um, as you saw from the previous episode, filming with Olympus on a surface, it's not an option. It's pretty terrible. It's always out of focus. Not all the time out of focus, but it's pretty hard for that camera to focus. It doesn't have this automatic face recognizing option, and that's why I cannot really film it on a surface. Underwater is a little bit better. I still have to a little bit play around the settings. When it's a close-up of the object, then it's okay, but as long as I start filming the reef, I cannot really, I have to find the white balance, because on that small screen I cannot really understand what is what. And then again, since the camera is not really, I'm not really familiar with that camera, sometimes I'm putting on the wrong settings and everything is green and or everything is blue. But yeah, so that's why at the moment I'm filming with my iPhone. Trail looks a little bit different now. It's going more up, or no, it's going the same. Ooh. Now there is a field. Oh no, it still goes all the way. So yeah, all this filming with the GoPro, without the GoPro and with the iPhone, which quality I don't like. It makes me think about that I don't want to just make videos because I have to. I understand that most of you don't care about the quality of the video, and you would say, Martin, just keep going, and that's what I heard since I announced that I flooded my GoPro, and all these episodes is under the question. Many of you commented and wrote me that, Martin, just keep going, but I'm not happy about what I'm doing at the moment. And you know, I'm always trying to get out enjoyment from all this filming, and if I cannot transfer the emotions and something I see around me, then it doesn't make sense for myself, and it doesn't give me any enjoyment from the process. Within these 2 years, as you know, we started this 2 years with no any backup, and all these 2 years we've been working really hard to survive, and I never been asking anyone to help me. But I think this is I don't know, it's like, again, it's really hard to ask, but if you care about these videos and if you want to see them in the future, I mean the nearest future, because the next moment when I will be able to afford another GoPro camera to buy, it will be only most probably end of the March, April, when something will start happening here in Bali. Until that moment I cannot buy a camera. We simply cannot afford it, because March Laura is flying back to Latvia because she has to extend her passport, and Latvia is too small country with only 1.8 million people, and that's why we don't have any embassies around Indonesia. Nearest embassy is in Beijing, and then it doesn't really matter where you fly. You go back to Latvia and meet your family, or you go to the Beijing where you have no one and you extend your passport. Well, the cost is absolutely the same. Some of you offered me a deposit for the future diving. I mean, when the borders will be open and when you will be able to come to Bali and dive with us. And I didn't say no, because in the beginning it felt like an option to buy the camera, but then I thought that in our lives, especially now, so many things can change. I don't know, maybe in the moment when you will be able to travel again, you will change your plans and something will be more important than this trip to Bali. Maybe you will find another place where to go, and or simply something will happen in your lives, and I know how fast all the things may change. So that's why I don't want to live with this, you know, with this. I don't want to owe you just simply because you were so kind and paid me deposit, and I bought the camera, and finally I'm waiting for the moment when you will be able to come to Bali and dive with us, but finally you cannot. And then you know, it's like I already spent the money for the camera, and when it's the time to give back, maybe I'm in some difficulties and I cannot give you immediately back, and you become angry to me. I don't want to get in that situation. Most of you know me from these videos, and you kind of understand what kind of person I am. I've been working pretty hard on these videos, and I can promise that I will keep going on the same pace. But like last year I made, so that means last year I made around 400 videos. That means every single day I did it. I spent at least 3 hours on every video. So that means just imagine how many hours I spent. I've been editing videos. So what I can promise you, if you will donate for the new camera, and it doesn't really matter how much you're planning to donate, it can be 5, it can be 10, whatever you want. What I can promise you, you will get new videos at least 3 times a week. I think it's a good deal. What do you think about that? So yeah, that's the thing. How you can donate it, I will leave the information into the description. Just check it out. You can personally contact me and ask, hey Martin, I would like to help you, so how can I do it? I think that's been my biggest problem. I never been really asking for the help. At the moment, it's like I'm feeling responsible about these videos, and I'm feeling responsible that you get those fresh videos from Bali, because it's like a kind of, I don't know, it's like a small piece of that island in that 12 or so minutes, and that's something you like, that's something you love. You love this place and you've been here. Some of you have never been here but dreaming about to come to Bali and visit us. But yeah, so like I say, there is always a choice. If you want me to keep going and don't make this big break, so then please donate. I will really appreciate. Laura will appreciate. Both of us will really appreciate it. And yeah, like I said, then I have a choice to keep going on and make these videos, or I don't want to make any videos like I've been doing for the previous 2 videos. It wasn't really enjoyable process to do them, because there was a lot of color grading and editing, and it was pretty terrible for myself. I mean, maybe it was okay for you, but it wasn't okay for myself. When I will be able to monetize this channel, then it will be a little bit different. So then I have some sources I can get from all these ads and that things, and then maybe I can support. I know that it will not happen that soon when I will be able to buy anything for this channel from for those resources, but at least we are pretty close at the moment. We almost got those 4,000 hours, watch hours, which we need to monetize. The only problem is at the moment subscriptions. We still need around 200 subscriptions to do that. So that's why, if you like these videos, if you like what we are doing, how we are doing, then please share all these videos with someone and say, hey guys, don't watch only these videos but also subscribe and like the videos, write the comments, which is really important. As you know, I am always answering any comments if they are relevant, and so yeah, so please share these videos, share it with other people, tell them to subscribe, and because it's important. It's kind of motivation to keep going. It's kind of everything. All right, I'm doing my usual training and just talking to you at the moment. It's another 100 meters to go up and then I will run down. All right, thank you very much for watching this, which is not really an episode. It just ask for help, and if you can, please help. If no, then most probably I will wait until April, when I will be able to buy a new camera. See you, bye.